What if the secret to truly radiant skin isn't found in a bottle, but rather on your plate and within your gym routine? Many of us invest heavily in skincare products, hoping for that perfect glow, yet overlook the fundamental impact of our lifestyle choices. Today, we're challenging that perspective, exploring how regular exercise and a balanced diet are far more crucial for healthy skin and overall well-being. Let's begin by uncovering the remarkable benefits that consistent physical activity brings to your skin and body. Engaging in regular exercise significantly boosts blood circulation, delivering vital oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. This improved circulation helps to flush out cellular debris and toxins, contributing to a clearer, healthier complexion. Sweating during workouts also aids in detoxification, opening up pores and releasing impurities that can lead to breakouts. Beyond skin benefits, exercise is a powerful stress reducer, and lower stress levels directly translate to fewer skin issues like acne and eczema. Now let's delve into the profound connection between what you eat and the health of your skin and body. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of overall health, providing the essential building blocks for every cell, including those in your skin. Understanding your daily calorie intake is crucial. For maintenance, a general range of 2,000 to 2,500 calories is often cited, though this varies greatly based on individual factors. These individual factors include age, activity level, metabolism, and specific health goals, making personalized adjustments essential. Beyond total calories, the macronutrient split plays a vital role in fueling your body and supporting skin health. A common recommendation is a split of 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% healthy fats. Carbohydrates, like whole grains and fruits, provide essential energy, preventing your body from breaking down protein for fuel. Proteins, found in lean meats, fish, and legumes, are crucial for tissue repair and collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Healthy fats, from avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are vital for cell membrane integrity and reducing inflammation, which can significantly impact skin conditions. By prioritizing these macronutrients in their correct proportions, you actively support your body's internal functions and external appearance. In summary, while skincare products can offer topical support, true health and radiant skin originate from within. Embrace the power of regular exercise to boost circulation and reduce stress, and nourish your body with a balanced diet rich in appropriate calories and macronutrients. Prioritize these fundamental aspects of a healthy lifestyle, and you'll unlock a level of well-being and skin vitality that no product alone can achieve.